bag, right guys? As we say. Okay, so we just picked that guy. I was about to step back and over, and I'll be gosh darn, look at that. Hiding right there. He's getting old, he's drying up. All right, guys, we're moving along. There we got one hiding. Wonderful. He looks kind of fresh. Oh, no, he's crumbling. They're starting to get old. You guys spot him over there? He looks fresh. Not old. Right there. About 100 of these and I'd be happy, right guys? Just 100 or 2. Another one into the bag.